Welcome to the world of happy moms.
I am Ruchita and you are very special. So here's a special tip for you how to grow strong, shining hair naturally. First step is to choose a hair oil that contains zero toxic chemicals, zero artificial perfumes, zero side effects, and most importantly, organic, certified organic. Choose Happy Moms, a certified vegan, made safe and cruelty-free product. A small amount of hair sheds naturally every day, which is normal and healthy. But when there is excess hair fall and new hair are not growing in the place of old ones, you need help. If you are eating healthy, balanced food but still experiencing hair fall, then Happy Moms Hair and Scalp Restore Oil is the solution. A combination of 100% organic ingredients like Amla, coconut oil, rosemary oil and lavender oil. These awesome ingredients nourish your scalp and strengthen your hair from the roots. Essential oils of lavender, rosemary and chamomile are known to reduce hair fall, encourage hair regrowth. The oils of coconut and olive nourish the scalp and ensure healthy scalp and hair. Amla extract also helps nourish and strengthen the roots. Regular use keeps the scalp healthy and helps in hair growth. It is non-sticky, means no chip, and has an amazing fragrance. How to get the amazing benefits of this oil? Take a small amount of hair and scalp restore oil on your palm and apply on scalp in small circular motions with your fingers. Gently massage and ensure you cover the entire scalp. Now let it absorb for half an hour at least. Wash off with Happy Moms Repair and Restore shampoo as required. Use the Repair and Restore conditioner if necessary. Choose Happy Moms Hair and Scalp Restore Oil.